We're part and parcel of the whole animal kingdom.
Other species, they're part and parcel of ourselves, of our daily lives. Removing sharks is
hard spending spree. That's part and parcel of stimulating these emotional circuitries.
What's that mean?
It's part and parcel of the digital age and also the way the record companies have decided the direction that they've gone.
Mentality. So part and parcel of the connection with Camden was also the fact that it helped as a revenue for the sound system. The majority.
Becoming a lawyer was part and parcel of the activism. Whole range.
English Idiom Challenge. What does be part and parcel of mean? Correct answer is to be an essential or integral part of something. Be part and parcel of means to be an essential, unavoidable, or necessary part of something. Examples. Stress is part and parcel of working in a busy hospital. Dealing with customers is part and parcel of running a business. Like and subscribe for more idioms.